Yeah, just a quick update. My dumpster diving adventures, and something I'd like to say that so sometimes, like today, I just picked one item. I just found one item that is an item of interest in the dumpster. There's a lot of stuff, some stuff in there, but you know, nothing you couldn't get at the dollar store. But I happened to find these two pieces of pottery, and that's what I say. You know, sometimes you can find a piece of gold. I'm featuring this piece of pottery right here because when I got home, I happened to notice, I looked on the bottom and it says handmade. It's by W.J. Gordy. Oh, yeah, W.J. Gordy. And I looked it up on the internet. He's a folk pottery of American folk pottery, and he started pottering in 1910. He had passed away in the 1930s. Actually, this was made before I was born in 1952, and I guess it's Cartersville, Georgia. And it goes to show you, you know, some of Gordy's pottery is exhibited in the Smithsonian Museum in Washington. So, you know, I don't know. Maybe this is worth a nice piece of change, but it sure is a nice piece, and goes to show you the gold nuggets you could find in the dumpsters. You can't get something like this unless you go to an antique store. You can find something like this, but I found it in the dumpster. So, to all you dumpster divers out there, I salute you.